here, like right here, and then we're gonna drill it. From here.
Just one more, oh boy.
It's flexible. You can mold in the whole thing the way you want. Then you can cover it. For most of the time, we sell it already with the vinyl. Wrap it up and cut the fiber and
make it look pretty.
It's simple, and you use the same wing you have.
It's basically going over it.
Yeah. This is a drag racing wing. It's 20 inch long, so we make that for that kind of wing. Simple to do it.
Yeah, it works out.
Yeah. Do a couple a little bit more in reinforcement, and should be fine.
I gotta shoot for the stars right now, nigga, right?
Oye, bebe más jugo.
Nito.
Shoot it up, it'll be out.
I'll put the 100 in for you. Yeah.
Yeah, those seatbelts are a little loose on you.
Don't worry about it.
Just don't crash the car.
It's easy.
You do want to get heartbreaking.
I'll give you that and all of that.
Thank you.